Hi guys, today's August the 24th and I'm coming to you today with a little sore throat going on. Yeah, the weather's been really bad here. It's really been really bad here in Mississippi. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I was working on my pantry today. I didn't film it, but I did film afterwards. I had my pups running around my feet and they were barking at each other, so you wouldn't have been able to hear anything. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've done in my pantry. I hope you like it. Leave a comment. Hit subscribe if you're not, and come back and join me. Thank you. Let me reverse this. Okay, so this is my pantry. Those are my whole box of candles. I've got to get a container to put the dog food in, the dry dog food. They sell them at Walmart. So I put my waters and my drinks up here. Then on the next shelf is just snacks my husband likes to eat, our bread, his energy drinks. And I've got pretzels. And then over here is the soups and things for our salads and for cooking. Down here I have a container with all of our spices. And they're organized like for baking, seasoning for the holidays, and for regular cooking. My oven bags are right there. Come up to here, and then I've got our canned goods and stuff are up here. And our spaghetti noodles, spaghetti sauce, mixed nuts, northern beans and pinto beans, cereal containers. Those are Honey Nut Cheerios. And then up here on this is our sandwich bags and stuff, snacks for the grandbabies when they come over, peanut butter for sandwiches, chips for sandwiches for my husband for work. Sorry guys, my voice is acting up. All the cooking oils. I've got my Sweet and Low tea bags, Folgers coffee grinds up there. Breakfast blend, our semi-chocolate chips that I add to our brownies and cookies. Extra tea bags that I didn't have a thing to put in. Our sugar, cornmeal, and self-raisin. And then up top I've got just leftover stuff that I couldn't fit anywhere else. I got a small step-in pantry, so it's not very big, but I do the best I can with it. This bar, it fell. It goes for our rotisserie, but it fell just a minute ago. Anyway, this is what I did today. It's all organized. Hopefully it'll stay like this because it's nicer like this. It looks nicer and it's more organized. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Bye.